So good day everyone, I'm Stefan Simper and today I'll be performing a taking or health history taking return demonstration. So let's begin. Okay ma'am, let me have what Dr. Chavez gave you ma'am. Okay. So before anything else ma'am, let me first introduce myself. I'm Stefan Simper, your student radiologic technologist, and you are?
Christian Marcus.
Okay, ma'am, how would you like me to call you now?
Christian.
So, before getting any further, I'd like to let you know in order for us to help you today, I need to ask you some questions, ma'am, particularly about your health and medical backgrounds and some of your personal circumstances. Will that be okay with you,
Yes.
ma'am? So, before I proceed, I need to verify your personal information. So, your complete name, please,
Christian Villarabal
your age,
19.
your date of birth.
August 10, 2004.
By any chance, ma'am, are you pregnant? Okay, thank you, ma'am. So let's proceed to. So let's start. What brings you here in this diagnostic facility?
So Dr. Chavez referred me to you since I'm having a severe coughing for the past few days, sir.
So where is the pain located?
It can be in my chest or in the throat.
So what is your cough feels like? Describe it for me, please.
Every time I cough, it's so painful and there is a phlegm which is yellowish and very sticky, sir.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst and 1 being the least, how bad is your cough?
7 to 8, sir.
So when did you cough or first cough? And how long did your coughing last?
I think it started when I was cleaning the house, and I have it for quite some time.
So do you feel any pain around your chest or your neck or anywhere else in your body?
No.
Okay, so every time you cough, there's a slight pain. So the pain is in the middle of your chest and also in your throat. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst and 1 being the least, how much pain will you feel in the middle of your chest when you start coughing?
3 to 4.
Okay, does the pain radiate anywhere else?
No.
So when you describe what pain is it like throbbing, stabbing, or squeezing?
I say it would be like squeezing.
Okay, so then, so have you take any meds or any medication to alleviate the pain or your cough?
So far, I took carboxystin solmux, which is 500 milligram, and one for my throat. If I'm not mistaken, it's. I cannot remember.
Is it strepsils?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
how many a day would you have been taking this medicine, or how many tablets do you take each day?
I think it's been 3 days, and I take 3 tablets per day.
Okay. So, what makes the pain worse?
I can't go to sleep, so it's very disturbing.
So, let's proceed now. Do you have any illness during childhood?
No, sir.
Or have you got any of yourself into an accident or injuries?
No, sir.
So, do you have any serious chronic illnesses like diabetes,
No.
heart disease,
No.
or cancer?
No, sir.
Have you ever been admitted to a hospital before or any health problem?
Only fever.
Okay.
When I was young.
Did you have any type of surgeries
No.
performed? Okay, so did you have any obstetric history?
No.
Have you taken any immunization?
Yes, when I was a kid, like polio and
How about
vaccine.
COVID? Are you
Yeah.
vaccinated? Okay.
Yeah.
Have you got some examinations before, like X-rays?
No.
Okay. How about allergies? Are you allergic to anything?
No.
Food or pets?
No.
Okay. So how about your current medication? Do you take any medication like vitamins or birth control?
Only the carboxystin and the strepsils, sir.
So now let's proceed to your family history. I'd like to know some information about your family's health. And the background, that's that alright with you?
Yes.
So may I know how old your parents are?
40s. They're 40s.
And how about your siblings?
20.
Are there any relatives that already passed away? Can you tell me what are the causes of their death?
Usually don't aging.
Are there any relatives like your parents and siblings diagnosed with heart disease,
No.
high blood pressure,
No.
stroke,
No.
diabetes,
No.
a blood disorder,
No.
cancer?
One.
How about anemia,
No.
arthritis,
Yes.
allergies,
No.
obesity,
No.
alcoholism,
No, sir.
mental illness,
No, sir.
seizure disorders,
No, sir.
kidney disease,
No, sir.
tuberculosis?
No.
Okay, so now we're done with those important data. Now I'd like to sum up everything that you have covered. If I get any errors, feel free to correct me. So, your name is Prisha Marte Alanel. Your age is 19, and you came here to the hospital due to severe coughing, itchy sore throat, and slight pain in your chest. You're able to cough phlegm, which is yellowish in color, and it's sticky to elevate